dirty knees. I don't know what that says about me, but I was on my knees all day. What's up, everyone? Today we're gonna do corporate headshots with the Westcott L60-B continuous lights. All right, so we're in a location where there is little to no access to electricity and we need to be able to move around. And so the L60Bs are the perfect tool for this, mostly because one, they'll run on AC power if you do have an outlet, if you're in your studio or in a location that lends to that. But in this particular facility where we're in an old semi-abandoned warehouse that's just used for storage, we now have the ability to use battery power with this. And so it's a very, very small form factor, as you can see. But the one thing you'll notice as well, well, at least I'm noticing, is that it's extremely lightweight. And so we had the entire 3-light kit in a Westcott backpack. And so it was really easy to travel and get into the location with it. The batteries are Sony batteries that you'll be able to, they're standard off-the-shelf batteries. You can buy it from Westcott and use them for this. As far as how long they'll last, the lights, I don't know yet. So we'll see if it gets me through the entire shoot. My guess is it will. And so let's get shooting. Let's make some magic here. All right, so one of the things I like is you can quickly and easily change the color temperature here through the range from 2700 all the way up to 6500 Kelvin. For this, I'm gonna operate at about 5500. And then they're completely dimmable, right? So all the way to 100%. And as it gets darker, you probably won't need as much power, but you're seeing that. Bluetooth enabled. And so the lights are really, really powerful and easy to use. Also has this grip I thought is pretty cool. So this allows them to be handheld. And so now you've got a grip with the batteries and it's a complete unit. And now you can light things with it. Again, they really thought through the design of this. It is very ergonomic in the way it works. So I think this is gonna do good for the shoot and give us a lot of versatility in a dark environment with honestly little to no power here. And so one other thing to consider is this works with the Westcott switch system. So all those soft boxes you have, you just add the adapter here for the light and you're gonna be able to use all your soft boxes and light modifiers. So this allows the entire Westcott ecosystem to work together in a very cohesive way. So really you maximize your investment in the soft boxes. Hey, watching the channel, enjoying it, learning anything, subscribe. Stop making excuses, just hit the little button. It's right down below. Just hit it. It's either over here or over here, somewhere. Hit it, like it, subscribe, comment, do it. My wife picked this jacket out on Amazon for their photo shoot, but I'm just wearing this. How come I don't have this jacket that Brett has, looking all dapper?
Maybe you should pay me to stylize you.
I need to be stylized. I don't know, dude. Brett's gonna sell some shit. That's all I know. got the pose, I need help with hair. That's your job, not my job. All right, so that's a wrap. The lights performed incredibly well. All the shots we were taking were at 5.6 because we had some depth to it. We wanted the background there, so I was quite surprised to see that they were putting out enough power to light at 5.6. You've seen the images, you see what we got there. The group shot, fantastic. We were still able to move the lights away, and I adjusted the power to f4. And then what I did was I made sure the front row, I took a bunch of shots in focus, and then that back row, right? Just in case they're a little soft in post-production, I can merge them because I had them staggered. And then of course now we'll go in and edit and adjust, you know, tonal range and all that good stuff, even give them a little bit of stylizing to the shoot. Overall, lights performed incredibly well. They did die at the end, and we had to scramble a little bit to get like last ounce of juice out of the battery. But I want to say we had them set up. I don't want to give you the wrong information. Let me look at what time it is. So we've been running those lights for almost 2 straight hours, and they held up. Now I can't sit here and tell you what the manufacturer is going to tell you how long they're going to last, but we're in a colder environment, so we all know batteries don't last as long. We had them at 100% power for about 2 hours. I did turn them off once for about a 10-minute window when we had to touch up hair and makeup, but for the most part they ran for 2 hours straight. Did an incredible job. Highly recommend them. Check these out, add them to your kit. They're going to make a world of difference.